What's up everyone, I am Brian from Crypto 101 and today we're going to walk you through a tutorial on your introduction to the Magic Eden marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs. Also, you can buy, sell, or swap runes. Runes are essentially fungible tokens found on the Bitcoin network, and Magic Eden is one of the largest platforms where you can buy and sell and swap these rune tokens. Now let's jump over and take a deeper look on the Magic Eden platform. Over here on the Magic Eden page, you can see there's a collections tab, there's a runes tab, and also in the upper right hand corner, you can connect your wallet, such as a MetaMask wallet, an Xverse wallet, a Rainbow wallet, or even the native Magic Eden wallet we'll briefly touch on. Now, also right here, one unique feature about Magic Eden is that it supports cross-chain NFTs. It supports several networks, such as the Solana network, where you can buy Solana-only NFTs, Bitcoin Ordinals, Ethereum, Polygon, or the base layer 2 Ethereum NFTs. And right here you can see you can search for all chains. Now when you go down the tab a little bit here, and this is the top collections page, as we all know, Pudgy Penguin's one of the more popular projects found on the Ethereum mainnet, and you can see the little Ethereum symbol right there, obviously, so you can recognize this is an Ethereum project. Next is Node Monkeys, that's found on the Bitcoin network or Bitcoin Ordinals, Milady, Ethereum, Bored Ape, Ethereum, and so on. Even Fragana right here is a Solana supported NFT. So right here on the top collections page, you can see what chain you are actually shopping for. In addition, there is a floor price. Right now, I have it clicked on the USD conversion. You can go right here and either do it USD or crypto price. So as you can see, the Pudgy Penguins found on Ethereum is 9.08 Ethereum for the floor. Right here, Node Monkeys is 0.118 Bitcoin. And to just make it easy, if you're looking at several different chains all at once, you can easily flip it over to the USD. There's also some great metrics on this front page. There's the 10-minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, 1 day, 7 day, 30-day volume and data sheet. And then you could click right here to the See All page to just really expand it if you wish, where you can see what chain, the floor, the total volume, the market cap of the project, the top offer, and so on. Now let's jump into the Pudgy Penguins collection page here, and you can see this is the collection page where you can see several of the floor Pudgy Penguin NFTs right now. An instant sell for 8.79 ETH. The Pudgy Penguins name, their website, their Discord, their Twitter, their Etherscan links, so all very valuable links here. Their floor price 9.08, the top offer, so that's what you could, any NFT, any Pudgy Penguin within this collection, you can insta sell for 8.79 Ethereum. The 24-hour volume, how many sales have been in 24 hours, total volume, average sale price, the amount listed, percentage it listed, and the amount of owners. So Magic Eden does a great job giving you a ton of information. In addition to that, there's some charts here, as you can see, that you can chart it out. Some further analytics if you wanted to look at the order books and along those lines, and then just some recent activity, what was bought, what was sold, and in what time frame. We're back on the Magic Eden homepage, and we're on the collections tab right here. In the upper right hand corner, you can clearly see there's a Connect wallet. And Magic Eden's unique because they support several chains such as Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, and even Base, and probably more chains to come in the future. But we're going to select all chains right here, and to log in, you select one of these wallets. As you can see, several wallets are supported, such as the Coinbase wallets, the MetaMask wallets, and even the new Magic Eden wallet. Within this series, we will also have a video breaking down signing up for a Magic Eden wallet, the process, and how you can interact with it. So definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. But for this purposes of the video, we are going to use the Magic Eden wallet, and it brings up some choices here: an Ethereum capability wallet, Bitcoin, or Solana. This is all within the Magic Eden decentralized wallet, but we will click on the Bitcoin wallet, and it will ask us to sign a request here, and we will sign, and we will be logged in. Now this wallet is for educational purposes only. Any NFTs that could be in the wallet, or any NFTs we discuss, obviously it's not financial advice. And you can see This wallet has not been used a lot at all, and it has 0.0031 Bitcoin in it. And right here, you see that little diamond mark? That's the Magic Eden Diamonds. That's their native loyalty program. Certain NFTs get diamond boosts. Interacting and utilizing their wallet, you get a percentage of diamond boosts, and we will see what that will come in the future, what those diamonds will be used for, but it is a loyalty program that Magic Eden has implemented. Now, scanning over some of these Bitcoin collections, obviously the top collections are a little out of our price range, so we will stagger it here for a little bit more reasonable price. And let's go and take a look at these Node Frog Punkinals. Now we clicked into the collection of Node Frog Punkinals. So it's the NFT collection found on the Bitcoin blockchain. Again, not financial advice. This is just educational purposes only, everyone. You can see there's a great display of all the NFTs that are available for purchase in some of the data metrics we talked about earlier, the Twitter and the website. And right here, actually, you can filter by traits as well. So if there's certain traits that you're looking for within these projects, you can search through different filters, different price traits, all of that good stuff. So if you only want top hats, you can search for an attribute if that is a trait within the collection and filter it that way. Now you can also select more than one NFT to buy at one time. As you can see, I selected 5. I can buy all 5 right down here and click execute, and it'll bring us to the checkout. Or I can just click 1. And I could hit the buy now button here, buy now button down here, or even the expansion view right here, which I like to do. Kind of gives you a good look of what the project is, the list price, the 2% fee, what the total price is. This is the Bitcoin network fee. All of these blockchains have a fee to process these transactions. Bitcoin, for instance, is sats per VByte, and at the fastest speed is $1.89. This meme protection is just for Bitcoin only, and you can read about it, and we'll dive deeper within this series about buying Ordinals versus buying other NFTs. But essentially, it takes a little bit of time for Bitcoin NFTs to process the transaction. The blockchain is not as fast as some of these other chains, and some people could possibly front run you. So adding this meme coin protection is exactly what it is. It protects you if someone would front run you. But that is not needed right now. We're just going to click on the high speed. We'll click either the buy now button, or if we want to make an offer. Making an offer, you can put whatever price you want in here and make it whatever you want for the amount of time, the days, all of that good stuff. Now, if you just want to buy this, you can buy now, and you can also get some good information as well about the project. Don't want to leave this out. Just some of the information for each chain and about the actual project. But let's buy this bugger. We click on buy now, and what will happen is they will ask us to approve this transaction. So this is the account 1 we're using, the chain's Bitcoin. The price is going to be $3.18 with a network fee of $1.55. You can approve that transaction, and boom. This will take some time for this project to actually show up within our portfolio, especially with Bitcoin. It takes some time. But if you want to watch it, if you want to see it, you can go over to your profile here, and you can see there are some NFTs within this wallet. So again, not financial advice, but we'll look at activity, and right now a buy has been broadcasted for the price, and you can see the seller's address that's going to receive it, who the buyer is, and all of that good stuff. But it will eventually show up here, and it does take a little longer for the Bitcoin Ordinals. Now, the Magic Eden platform is very unique because not only can you buy NFTs across several chains on their platform, but you can also buy something called runes. Right at the top of the page here, you can click on runes, and runes are fungible tokens that are found on the Bitcoin network. They're rather new to the Bitcoin network, so they are definitely developing and growing in this space. But Magic Eden was one of the largest platforms where you can actually buy, sell, and swap these runes. We're going to actually have a separate video within this series to show you how you can trade runes, how you can buy them, how you can swap them. So definitely, if you like this sort of information, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, so you do not want to miss that video. But right here, you can see that is the runes tab, and they break down just pretty much all of the top runes, what their market cap is. As you can see right here, 300 million for Dog Go to the Moon, and what number rune they are considered. And there are quite a few here, so you definitely want to do your due diligence when you are exploring the rune market. Now, right here, you can see there is a portfolio button. This is going to bring you to a different portfolio other than your NFT portfolio, because we're on the runes tab. This will bring you to your runes portfolio. So this wallet does have some runes, not worth a tremendous amount in this wallet, but $8.45 worth of runes in this portfolio. And right here, there's a mint button. This is if you ever want to create your own rune, or it will bring you to a third-party Luminix website. And right here, I've been talking a little bit about it. This will also be another video within this series, is how you can set up your Magic Eden wallet and some very unique things you can do. But right here, you can download it for Chrome from the Magic Eden website. Moving back over to the collections page, I want to call out a few other items here. When you hit discover, that'll bring you to collections or your rewards page. The mint button here is their Launchpad, and this brings you to any upcoming possible mints that are going on. And remember, we can select what chains we are shopping for at the top. So every once in a while, there are some very unique projects dropping on the Magic Eden Launchpad. In addition to the Launchpad, they have an open editions part. You can inscribe Bitcoin Ordinals, and they have a creator dashboard. So if you're interested in creating NFTs, this is another avenue Magic Eden absolutely supports. I hope everyone enjoyed the video today, learning more about Magic Eden, learning more about how to navigate the NFT side and rune side of their platform. Once again, there's going to be additional content within this series about how to set up your Magic Eden wallet, what runes are, how to buy, how to swap runes, how to list NFTs, and much more. Appreciate you tuning in, and we will see you real soon.